Welcome everyone to HueFin News, the home of the 2-minute price prediction, as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. We do appreciate you all coming and watching this video for today. If this is your first time coming to this particular channel, go ahead and subscribe as well. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and share it to someone else that might enjoy this particular content. Now, what we have in store for you today is in fact two analysts that work for CNBC, and they are giving their recommendation or their opinion as to where they expect Tesla stock to go. So what we're going to do, we're going to listen to what they state about Tesla, and then we're going to look at the price charts to make sure if it correlates with what they're saying. That is our main function and our objective on this channel, is to make sure that the things that we listen to, the things that we read, that they in fact correlate with the price charts to get a true idea as to what these stocks, cryptocurrencies, or even commodities are going to do in the future. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. The first one up, let's listen to what this gentleman has to say about Tesla.
I think Tesla might be worth a gamble on the short side. I think that there's been a lot of people that are saying, hey, maybe it's run its course to the downside. I'm not one of those people. I still think you have a lot of room to the downside of this one. It's dangerous, don't get me wrong. All shorts are dangerous, but I do think that you're going to get another shot.
So there you go. He has given you his opinion as to what he thinks Tesla is going to do over the next couple of days. He is expecting Tesla to move low in price. And literally, we're going to look at the price chart to make sure that it correlates with what he just said. Now, the second one also works for CNBC. We're going to listen to what he has to say about Tesla as well. So let's go ahead and move on to this particular gentleman and see what he has to say.
Tesla could be really interesting. It gets set up very similar to Netflix, what we saw. We obviously sentiment is very poor. We had an analyst come out who's not particularly positive on the stock, said Model 3 could be really good. Deliveries, if you get a pop off that and they still haven't raised capital, I think you sell that.
So there you go. Two men on CNBC has given you their opinion as to what they expect Tesla to do or how to trade it. So now let us go ahead and move on to the price charts to see if the price charts correlates with what they're saying. So now this is the price chart for Tesla. Currently you can see that this is the weekly chart for this particular stock, and over the last 4 weeks this stock has been giving us a lot of weakness. Definitely something that we need to consider as to what these men are stating about this stock. Now what we have here last week, this previous week, Tesla tried to break $280 and it was not successful. That is another indication that weakness is still in the market for this stock. Even the last 3 weeks, you can still see here that weakness is very apparent in Tesla. So this price chart literally is correlating with what these men are saying. I will be expecting Tesla to move to the downside as well. Now, granted, it might come around $240 as support, but definitely it has to stay above our ascension line in order for us to maintain that movement higher in price as a broad stroke as to where Tesla is going to move. Now, as we go throughout the weeks, even into the months ahead, if Tesla breaks this ascension line that we got drawn in this chart, then definitely we are changing over into one of movement to the downside. Okay, but as of right now, the weekly chart definitely is in line with what the men on CNBC are stating. So we will have to go align with what they're saying as well to expect Tesla to continue to move to the downside. Even the last 3 trading days in Tesla, we don't have any strength coming into the market. And as a matter of fact, this particular day is when Tesla tried to break $280 and it wasn't even successful. So it looks like there is some downside movement to go in Tesla. So according to the price chart, we are definitely expecting Tesla to move to the downside. So that's one of the things I want to tell you all too before I go, is that we're unbiased as to the market and the price charts. If the price charts tell us one thing, then that's the direction that we're going to go. If it's going to tell us it's going to move to the upside, then that's the opinion that we're going to state. That's going to be our analysis. If it's going to say it's going to move to the downside, then literally we're going to tell you just that as well, because we understand that you can make money both ways in the market. So we're just here to literally give you the news according to the charts. And currently to Tesla, it looks as if there's still some weakness ahead for this stock, and we also will state that it's going to continue to move to the downside. Just watch out for that 240 or even to hold support on our ascension line. Okay, so what do you guys expect Tesla to do in the near term or even throughout the next couple of weeks? Do you think Tesla is a buy right now, or do you think you should sell it as well? Let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video, because we definitely would like to know your opinion as to Tesla and the direction in which it's going to move. Now, as I said, this is your first time watching this video and you do appreciate the content that we are creating, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe as well. Hit that bell notification too, just so you can be notified of when we place these type of videos on YouTube. Again, we do appreciate your time. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.